Hello buddies and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first YouTube video and I was hoping to do like an introductory video and also like a tutorial sort of, or just like get ready with me to fix my birthday hair. So yes, let's just jump right into this video because I don't want it to be long. In as much as it would be long, I do not want to talk your ears out and prolong this video, so let's just get right into it. So I already started and I was like, listen, this should be like a very nice YouTube video to start with, so let's just get this done and over with. So I'm going to be, sorry, did I mention my name? My name is now Ushidu, and yes, I live in Accra, Ghana. Excuse me if I move from here to there, so I'm trying to tell you a little bit about me and also talk about what I'm doing. So don't be confused, just pay attention, listen attentively, and you'll follow. So you want to drag your hair back when fixing your frontal. Oh yes, that's the hair we're fixing today. Isn't she a baddie already? Just look at her. So I'm turning 29 in a few days. And yeah, I'm trying to like fix my birthday hair, so what to do with you guys. Anyways, excuse me whilst I blow dry this. Okay. I'm in the beauty industry, so I do hair. That's I make wigs, I do locks, I also do braids, and I'm a lash tech. Not a pro though yet, but I'm still, you know, in the learning process. In as much as I can like do really nice lashes, I still have a lot to learn. So I don't want to call myself a pro yet because I'm still in training. Okay, doing this process also ensures that you do not damage your edges, because yeah, we're protecting these edges all year, this year 2024. Don't lose your edges, ladies, because you are baddie. Anyway, so as I was saying, I'm turning 29 in a couple days. I'm a Capricorn, okay? So if you don't do zodiacs or horoscopes, we can be friends. We can be friends. Those jokes anyway, but yeah, we can be friends if you're not a zodiac or horoscope person. What's your star sign? Comment. I just want to give a public service announcement that I speak pure sarcasm. Is it sarcasm? Sarcasm. Any way you want to pronounce it. And I'm a very fun person to be with, actually, in as much as I'm an ass. I'm actually a very nice person to speak with and to be around, honestly, because I'm fun, but you must be able to understand sarcasm, okay? Because yeah, you might think I'm childish or I come off rude or something, but yeah, that's just me. So I have a couple of questions here that I'm going to read out by myself, of course, and then answer them also. So I'm just cleaning the spray, the got to be on. I'm just cleaning the surface so I will be able to adhere to my skin, anything I put there, and then also like clear any oils that is left on my skin. So let me read out the questions. The first one says, what inspires you you. My mom is the one that inspires me, and my younger sister. When I tell you those two, life has done a lot of things at us, and those two kept going. You know, they kept going, and it actually made me sit up and, you know, try to push myself harder because I was relaxed. I wasn't really bothered about anything. So over here, I'm going to use my Ebin adhesive spray all over my perimeter. Is it perimeter? Okay. I don't know about my hairline. So you want to do this and then allow it to sit a little, like just dry by itself. Like don't use your hand dryer or anything, and then just allow it to dry. So whilst it's drying, I want to not like completely dry, but it will get a bit tacky because I don't want to do the whole glue thing. So yes, this is how we are going. What has been your biggest leap of faith? Well, I would say getting into this job. What made you start social media? Well, social media is fun and you get to meet people around the world. I mean, you get to be friends, like virtual friends with people around the world. You get to, it's also a medium to know what is happening in the other part of the world that you are not in. So, okay, I'll say that's the reason I joined social media. And who was your first friend, and are you still with them? My first friend is Ruth. I was friends with her in primary school till she left for Australia. I miss her so much. Ruth, if you're watching this, you know what to do. Give your baby a call. And I just won't call you after this video because I'll miss you. So, what is your most embarrassing moment? You do not want to hear this, do you? And I've actually been contemplating to either to say it or not. Well, that would be the time in primary school that I shit my pants. I do not want to give so much details into this, yes. But if you want to know more, just let me know, and then maybe we'll do like a sit down story time or something, and then I'll tell you all about it. So leave your comments. Let me know if you want to hear this story. And what is the number one thing people don't know about you? This, yeah, I always get this. From any person's point of view, yeah, I come off as a snobbish, rude, mean. But honestly, when you get close to me, I am very soft. I am a very soft girl. I'm so sweet. Like, when you get to know me, you get close to me, you realize, oh, you wasn't what I thought you were when I initially saw you. So this is a 26-inch deep wave 13 by 4. Yeah. Okay. So I already styled the hair how I wanted to be like, so wow, this is adhering to, this is actually my first time trying this. I saw this on TikTok and then I was like, oh, this is something like really easy that you can do. So why do we always stress and want to do the whole glue down? I mean, if you want something that would last you maybe like a whole week. You can do the glue down. I'm sure this may last like maybe a day or two. I don't know, but I'll test it out and I'll let you guys know how long I had this wig on. I'm not really the type that keep hair on for a long time. I actually had locks last year. I mean, I did it 2 years ago in December, and then I took it out last year, August, yes, just because I was seeing new cornrow braids, like the Fulani. I was like, no, I have to do this. Who even told me? Who advised me to do locks? I hated it. I mean, I didn't hate the locks. I mean, I hated the fact that I didn't do any style with it, like cornrow braids and stuff. So I was like, you know what? We can do the locks somewhere in the future, but for now, let me enjoy all this new trends with braids and stuff like that, because I hate to not be able to change my hair for some time. I'm going to put the Ebin melting spray. I don't know if it has focused. Putting the Ebin melting spray on it, just a little, and then we're going to leave it to dry a bit, so it doesn't give the it doesn't leave the white cast on your legs, or at least that's what the video I watched on YouTube said. And back to my questionnaires. Any advice for anyone looking to start YouTube? Well, I'm not a YouTube pro. This is obviously my first YouTube. I took the leap of faith and I started it. So you should too. Listen to your intuition, listen to your inner self. Whatever you want to do and your inner self is speaking to you, resonating so much with you to start it, just do it. Because in the end, you may regret you didn't listen, and then you weren't able to do what you set your mind to do. So yeah, if you want to start YouTube, just start. Like I'm sitting here, I'm just starting. You don't need so much, you don't need any heavy equipment to start YouTube. I'm literally using my ring light and my phone. You don't need a camera or anything to start filming. You can just use your phone. So if you have a phone with good camera quality, just use it. Just use it. Just make the video. Make it. Maybe you may be thinking, oh, what if I make the video and then I don't get engagements, I don't get likes. Honey, listen, you never know who is watching. Just one day somebody would come across your video, like it, share, and that is how the algorithm will change for you and people will start viewing your videos. Like, it's crazy. I'm sitting here, I know how long I've procrastinated this particular video. I know how long I have. But yeah, this is me now. I'm doing it. So I'm just going to tie this down. I think it's a little bit dry, I would say. Let me be safe and use my dryer to dry it a little bit, and then we'll get back to it again. And you still want to use cold setting. time to melt this baby. And yes, please, I'm gonna make sure I post this before my birthday. So just in case, anytime you even come across this video, please like it and follow me. Let's get to 100 subscribers before my birthday. Please. Thank you. I left this on for about 20 minutes and it's looking good. Love it. When I tell you I hate sharp objects, yeah, even what is it called, the nail clippers, I'm scared. I'm scared of sharp objects. Just so I don't go too well, so that's fine. It's not that bad. Oh, not so bad. Pretty Gucci. Well, so thank you so much. If you stayed to the end of this video, I want to say a very big thank you for staying with me through this install. And let me know in the comments if you think that it would have looked way better with the baby hairs, because I think I like this better. I like this. Without baby hairs, it's nice. I mean, I don't even know how to do the baby hairs, so yeah. This is the only option that I would settle for. And so, once again, I'd love for you to comment, like, and subscribe. Also turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And wish me a happy birthday in the comments, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.